Hey foodies, today in this video I am going to show you how to cook aloo tikki in different shapes. Here are the ingredients. Now take a bowl and add boiled potatoes and smash them with a smasher or your bare hands. Add half cup of breadcrumbs and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon jeera powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now add half teaspoon chili powder, pinch of turmeric. Mix them well with a spoon. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now make a dough using your hand. Our dough is ready. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, here is the dough after it's cooled. Place the dough on a plate. Now flatten the dough on the plate using your hand. Okay, it's a very important part as we are making different shapes like smiley, heart, etc. Now try to use this part of your palm. It literally help you to flatten the dough on the plate. Now for smileys, take a small bowl and put it on the dough we had flattened on the plate. Now for the eyes, take a straw . Now for the smileys, use a spoon. Here are smileys. Now for the other shapes, I am using a heart shape, love, spade and diamond. Them. Now deep fry them. Now fry them until they are golden brown. Crispy from the outside and it's juicy from the inside. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.